So as I was saying, as I was talking to you here, I also wanted to show you because on the channel, like if you're new to the channel or if you've been watching the channel before, you might wonder like, okay, Nate, I'm trying to start stretching. What stretches can I do? Like I've just come to your channel and you have 1,400 videos on stretching. So what stretch can I pick? What stretch can I do? Like it sounds it sounds like, okay, this is great, and I want to start stretching. I want to start getting active. So one of the things that I've managed to do over the past couple of weeks and months is to actually start organizing my channel so that you have stretch routines that you can follow. If you want to do a different stretch routine every single day for like a month, there's different programs that you can do and you can follow. But this allows you to explore the different stretch routines. Right. This allows you to explore the different stretch routines. You don't have to do all of them, but you just find one, at least one stretch routine. And when you find that one stretch routine, you repeat that stretch routine. You do it over and over. That's how you start to see results. So to begin, you can come to the channel and you can follow along because when I started, because my journey, I'm not showing you these people that are already fit. Like I showed you Bully Juice, Mad Fit. They're already fit when they were making some of these videos, right? They were in pretty good shape. I started off from a position where I wasn't that flexible. I had a bit of extra weight, but I consistently stretched and I saw results. I even lost weight. I lost over 60 pounds because I combined my stretching with the training. I mean, the stretching with the walking, with the diet. I trained maybe once, 3 times a month, like maybe once a week or so, but I saw significant results by stretching and walking. Those are the two main physical activities that I did: stretching, walking, and the diet was also dialed in. So, those are the three things that you can do. And I can promise you, you'll see very, very significant results. So on the channel, you can see there are different tabs here at the top. So there's courses and there is a playlist. I would definitely say if you're to come to the courses, so I think the courses probably make the most sense for a lot of people, is I've set up the courses by month so that each month you have different videos that you can follow. So this is September, October, right? November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. So you can come and see right in here to see like, okay, which stretch routines can I follow? So like, let's say, for example, right now in March, we're entering into May, you can come into the May stretch routines. You can see, okay, these are the May stretch routines, right? So we've got about 78 videos in this playlist. So you can figure out like, okay, how much time do I have to stretch? Okay, we've got 5 minutes. So all the stretch routines are labeled as well. So you can pick, okay, which one do you want? Is it for like full body? Are you trying to work on your hips? So when you start stretching, you will feel where your body needs it the most, the areas that feel the tightest. And sometimes when you feel tight in certain areas, it's an indication. It's not about stretching through that tightness and forcing that muscle to release, but it's about recognizing, because the first thing that you want to do is diagnose exactly where your body needs it the most. So you can sit down, start stretching, on a mat, or you can be standing. Figure out like, where does my body need it the most? And this is how you'll find the routine for you to repeat every day until you improve and you start seeing results. And you'll start to see that your body will adapt pretty fast, right? Again, we talked about the principle of adaptability, meaning that your body will adapt and it will adjust itself over time. It doesn't happen in the moment, but it happens as you repeat it because you're rewiring your brain. How your brain's how your brain and your nerves work together along with your muscles. So you don't want to force it, but just breathe through it, because sometimes when you're stretching, you'll feel those pops, pop, pop, those knots releasing. That is what people want all the time. But sometimes you can also injure yourself, because if you overdo it and you try over extend and overstretch, you can actually rip your ligaments and tendons. So that is what you want to avoid. But what you can do is just come, pick a stretch routine, right? You can try all of them for 30 days straight. There's also like the May routine that you can try. All right. So this is May, and you can also come, you can try this one here. We've got the 30-day morning reset. You can try that one. And there's this May reset challenge. So this is a routine with 30
You made
days.
it to day one, and that already says
So this one's actually structured, where you have every single day structured. You can do this day one, day two, day three, up to day 31. So you can get started for your routine for May. And as you can see right here, so you've got all the days, day one, day two, day three, day four, right? And you can go all the way to day 31. So this is the May Reset Challenge. So you can start this routine, you can start this challenge, and this will help you figure out like, okay, where is it that I need where is it that I need this stretch the most? So as you do this, you have a system, you have a program that is structured. And out of all the stretches, right, after the 30 days, you can pick one video, one stretch routine that you'll repeat over and over again, because you need to have a routine and a pattern that you can consistently perform and do to see the results. It doesn't happen instantly, but it takes time. It might take a couple weeks, it might take 1 month, it might take 2 months, it might take 3 months for you to start seeing the results. And the amazing thing about this is that once you do this, you'll start to see different results where physically you have less stiffness and you have better mobility, improved posture, and your performance wise, you're going to have better workouts and more control of the weights in the gym. Your range of motion improves and increases, and your recovery, you've got a faster bounce back when you're trying to recover from a workout, and you have less soreness when you're training and you're working out, because your muscles are no longer just building up lactic acid and just piling it in your muscles, but you're also releasing and breaking down all that lactic acid that would normally build, and your body understands how to just function properly without any of that extra extra stress. So